What is up, Last Rifters? This is Dogman here with Last Rift Labs, working on our zombie map. Gonna do some basic stuff today and show you where we are. So, if we can just quick catch up to where we are right now. Here's where we're at with the game. We have a functioning day-night cycle. It starts you with daytime. Here you can see it's a 10-second countdown. Then at the end of the 10-second countdown, we switch to nighttime. Zombies start spawning. You get a gold every second here, an additional gold if you kill a zombie. If you kill all the zombies or the timer runs out, it goes back to daytime. So let's take a look on how we did this and how we're going to continue to scale this out. It's a cool little system we have built here. So let's just hop right into it. So we did a couple things in UEFN. We added to start, we added a daylight sequencer. So we added these day sequencer devices. We had two of them. We had one for the daytime and one for the nighttime. And then our timers that we made last time, our day and night timers, on the success of those events, we just trigger our new window. So on the success for our nighttime, when the day timer reaches success, we enable it. When the night timer reaches success, we disable it. So that's how we're switching between that. To grant currency on a timer, we just created a simple timer device called this currency timer. We started at game start, and then on the success, we are just resetting it. We're restarting it. The completion behavior, we're restarting it. So every second, this timer just runs and resets. And then we added a item granter here, which I think we called currency granter. And all that does is grant the player 1 gold. That's currency timer. We called it coin granter. So yes, all this does is grant them 1 gold. So every second here, we're just granting them a gold. So let's do the same thing with kills here. So we have our coin granter. We're going to duplicate it because we don't want to just give 1 coin for each kill. So instead of the coin granter, we're just going to call this, rename it to Elim coin granter. So every time we eliminate a zombie, we're going to grant the player some coin, and let's just grant them 5 coins to start. All this is an item granter that grants gold currency, and we just set it to 5. So with our code here, we're going to go ahead and reference this. I've already written the code here. So we have in our creature manager class, we have our item spawner or item granter device, and we're going to create that as editable. And so then when we are subscribing to the on creature eliminated function of the creature sponsors, and then we're just going to look for the source of the creature elimination here, with our results that we're getting from the creature spawner. And then if there's a source, we're going to grant the coins to the agent here. So once we compile our verse code, if we go to our creature manager, I've already compiled the verse code, so that's why you don't have to do it again. But you can see we have our coin granter. We just select coin granter there, but we're going to actually select the elimination coin granter because we want to do 5 coins instead of just 1 single coin. So then once we push our changes here, and once this all loads, we will be able to grant our player 5 coins every single time they eliminate a zombie that is spawned from our spawners. So now when we load in, it's our day cycle. We're back to granting 1 single coin every second. And then when the night cycle begins, we'll go ahead and test this. So I should get 5 coins in a zombie elimination. If you're watching my coin count, you can see that every time I eliminate one of these zombies, it is giving me 5 coins. Along here, we do have our nighttime. When the nighttime ends, it will eliminate all those zombies like that. We get our nice log to the right, and we're back in daytime, and you're able to spend these coins. Well, anyway, this was Dogman with Last Rift Labs. I hope you enjoyed this devlog. Tune in next week for our next devlog, and continue with us on this journey for how to build a zombie survival map. It's starting to look cool here. By the end of this, we will have a very cool survival experience.